Secretary of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam Nongthombam Thoithoiba, has admitted that solved paper for physics for the ongoing Class 12 higher secondary examination was seized at an exam center located at Nambol Higher Secondary School today. Speaking to media in this regard at its office in Kwakaithel today, Nongthombam Thoithoiba said a team of Desam visited Mayang Impal M. Tomchau Higher Secondary School, Model Higher Secondary School, Takiel and Nambol Higher Secondary School to check on the conduct of Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Secondary Education Manipur. In the visit, a paper containing question and answer for physics was intercepted at exam hall number 11 of Nambol Higher Secondary School 20 minutes before the commencement of the exam. While expressing concern over the normalization of cheating in examination, Thoithoiba demanded strict action against teachers, school authority who engage in such unethical activities. He also called for concerted efforts in making exam free from cheating and other unethical means.
Exam khudimaki subject khudimaki question lecture sum oi khalak taragadi ekhoina hojik je pangthoiba class 10 amsu 12 ki examination se masi pangthok tabna pharabra oja su integrity leitaba mama ba oiba sing su masa sing se laring thina pahalakan de exam mapung phaba exam mo ohen gabi wakal su khandraba aduga mairoi sing su aina chahi ma chumna tamiba ihei sing myam sing se masi aina kayam yamna khangage kayam yamna hairage haibagi changeng ma ni haiba se masi phawba khanma ngamatraba ekhoi khunai se masi dei da ekhoi gi mahi masing tambagi Kanglona se, ekoi thupjan gibna pharabra haiba wahang ma desam da fawi aduna ekoi masi taraina lobam thokte section kudi makta leibiri ba khudi mangna masi ekoi yamna tahoi da thaba ma tungda lakadori ba ekoi gi miro se masi mut khibe aba mang khibe aba gi phiba mama la ko se masi ekoi punna thengnamina kanda masi umasi degi ekoi kanna honamina se